Hey guys, Andres here. Today we are going to be removing a fiberglass shower. This is a 20-year-old shower. The owner has tried to patch a crack and over time it's really not working. So it's just time to get a new shower. The first step is to remove the bolt that is holding the handle, and you're going to do this with the start key wrench as you can see here. Now we're going to remove all the panel screws. Okay, for your top faucet, to remove it, you're going to just unscrew it all the way to the left. And now there are also some other types of top faucets that the way you remove them is usually with a start key, and you will go from the bottom and remove a bolt that is holding it together. So just something to keep in mind. Same thing with the faceplate of this drain. There are two types. So this type is the one that has a screw, but there are other ones that you actually gonna have to use two branches and just unscrew it. So it's something to keep in mind as well. All right, our next step is to mark where we're going to cut the walls. Now we need to cut the sheetrock that we marked. Now, gently with a hammer, make a hole that way you can grab the sheetrock and pull it out. So now it's time to cut this shower, and we cut it in two different ways. Two side panels and then the back panel, and then we're going to remove those, and finally we're going to remove the top. So whenever you buy a new fiberglass shower, assuming you buy the same one, they will come in 4 different pieces. And they come in the same way as we cutting this one up. So you will have 2 side panels, you're gonna have your back panel, and you're gonna have your shower top. The only time that usually people install a one-piece fiberglass shower are usually for new constructions. Now we just have to remove the nails. Usually for these fiberglass walls, you're going to find all these nails to be at the top of the walls, as you can see here. And once you remove them all, you just pretty much pull the whole piece and it will start to come off. So before removing this piece, as you can see, the copper is actually a lot thicker than the hole that is in place in the fiberglass. So I'm just cutting a little bigger hole before we remove this piece. Alright guys, we're almost there. The next step is to remove any trim that is touching the shower top. So usually here you will be using a wrench, so specifically a drain removal wrench. And these wrenches, as you can see in the image, will go down to the drain and will pretty much click to the metal pieces in the drain. That way you can twist it. But in this case, those teeth were broken in the drain. So my only option left was to pretty much just cut around the drain. For this last step, you can do it by yourself, but I highly suggest that you get somebody else to help you. It's a lot easier with 2 people. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.